Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a really comforting dish, rich soy sauce clay pot chicken. Rich, glossy sauce, tender chicken, and all that aroma coming straight out of the clay pot. It's the kind of dish that makes the whole kitchen smell amazing and instantly makes you hungry. Alright, let's get started. This is half a chicken, chopped into small pieces. I've already washed it clean, and this part is important. Make sure you drain it really well. If there's too much water on the chicken, once it hits the wok, it will just release water instead of browning. Now let's mix our sauce. In a bowl, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of soybean paste, 1 tablespoon of sweet bean paste, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of MSG, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of white pepper. Give it a good mix. This is where all the deep, savory flavor comes from. For aromatics, I've got diced scallions, ginger, garlic, plus some chopped green chilies and red chilies. For veggies, you can really use whatever you like. Today I'm using napa cabbage, enoki mushrooms, and shredded Chinese tofu sheet. And for spices, star anise, bay leaves, cinnamon stick, and dried chilies. Everything is ready, so let's cook. Heat up the wok with some oil. Once the oil is hot, add the chicken. Let it sear, don't rush this. Let the chicken get a little color on both sides. If you are using a cast iron or steel wok, remember, hot wok, hot oil, high heat, or it will stick. Once the chicken is no longer watery and starts to turn slightly golden, add in the scallions, ginger, and all those spices. Stir fry until it smells amazing. Now pour in the sauce and really stir it through. Cook it until that sauce aroma fully comes out. Next, add boiling water just enough to cover the chicken. Leave the lid off and let it simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then cover it, gently braise for about 30 minutes. I'm using a tender yellow chicken, so this timing is perfect. If you are using an older chicken, just cook it a bit longer. Time's up, open the lid. Pick out the whole spices. Then add in the garlic and the fresh chilies. Cover and let it sit for another 1 to 2 minutes. Now over here, I've got a clay pot. Add just a little oil. Toss in whatever vegetables you like. Honestly, even instant noodles work great here. Pour all that chicken straight into the clay pot. Cover it. And let it bubble for about 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, let's take a look. Wow, that smell is unreal. This is perfect for cool weather. Warm, rich, and so satisfying. Let me try a bite for you. Wow. Wow, this is insanely fragrant. I'm not trying to tempt you, but this pot is really dangerous. You have to try this one at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.